In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a dimension line without text in AutoCAD using two simple methods. First, create a normal dimension by using the Dimension tool from the Annotate tab and place it where needed in your drawing. Once the dimension appears, double-click the dimension text to open the text editor, highlight the value, and delete it completely. This leaves the dimension line and arrows visible without displaying any measurement text. If you want all future dimensions to appear without visible text, type D into the command line to open the Dimension Style Manager. Select your current dimension style, click Modify, and go to the Text tab. Here, reduce the text height to a very tiny value such as 0.01 so the text becomes practically invisible. This method is useful for cleaner presentation drawings where dimension indicators are needed without cluttering the layout. Both approaches are quick, effective, and can improve the overall appearance of technical drawings. Thanks for watching and happy drafting with AutoCAD.